Alright guys, really quick, let's go over the moving average area. So pretty much it's very simple. All I have running right here is a 8 SMA, okay, and a 50 SMA. Don't look at those other, 100, 150, just ignore that for now, or forever actually, I'm not even using those. But, okay, I have a 8 SMA and a 50 SMA, okay. The 8 SMA I have blue, and the 50 SMA I keep red, okay. Very simple. Anytime the red SMA comes on top, we're looking for sell positions, okay? As you can see, the red one crossed above the blue, and then price went down, right? Check this out. Crossover right here, red on the bottom, we're looking for buys, okay? It's very, very simple, right? When that 50 moving average is on the bottom, we look for buys. When that 50 red moving average is on the top, we look for sells. It's that easy, guys. As you can see, one more example. Red moving average crossed above, and then the price started to come down. Not only that, we're going to use these moving averages as support and resistance zones as well. As you guys can see, price rejects this zone multiple times, okay? Right in this area, boom, rejected it, and came up, came below, rejected it right here, rejected both of them, and then came down. You can look at those as support and resistance, but also you're gonna be looking at those crossovers, right? When that red one crosses the bottom, you look for buys. When the red one crosses the top, which is known as the 50 SMA, you look for sells. And that's all there is to it, guys. Add the moving averages. They're not as important as everything else, but they are pretty cool to know because you're gonna see them cross over, and then you're gonna see certain things follow with it. So add that, and it's going to be important when we put everything together.